What's up, traders? Today is November 29th. Welcome back. First things first, hope all you guys and gals out there had a fantastic, nice, long, refreshing, relaxing holiday week last week. Okay, I hope you guys used it to recharge the old batteries because, as you know, the year is not over. I know many people think it is, but as you've heard me say a million times, there's no rest for active traders. Every single day when you turn on your computer, holiday or not, there's an opportunity to be had. Case in point, we're going to go over today's beautiful sell-off today in the NASDAQ as this volume indicator turned red, nailing the start of the short trend at exactly 8:30 in the morning. Okay, but first I want to tell you guys, I know a lot of you guys are taking your foot off the gas, right? You think that we're heading into, the holiday season, this and that. You got your mind elsewhere. I'm here to tell you folks that I think next month, meaning like the month of December, is going to be a historic month for volatility. Why do I say that? Well, it's my belief that the market has not properly priced in all the risks, not only here in America, but across the world. I'm talking higher interest rates. I mean, we've had the largest and fastest interest rate hikes in 40 years. All right, now that's gotta have an effect on the economy. Small businesses, consumer debt. There are still massive problems in the underlying economy. Oh, and by the way, inflation also at a 40-year high. Just go to the grocery store, man. Go fill up your tank. Go look at the prices of a home anywhere in the world. You're going to find out for yourself that almost everything is unaffordable. Oh, and by the way, folks, COVID is still around. That hasn't gone away. So look, if you're an active day trader, don't you dare take your foot off the gas. All right? You've heard me say this 1,000 times. Day traders only go on vacation when there's no volume. If there's volume, it means the market's open. And if the market's open, we're going to look for opportunities like we did today. So let's get into this setup here, folks. What you're seeing on the screen right now is today's price action chart of the NASDAQ. I haven't done a video on the NASDAQ in a long time. I figured today would be a great day to do it. And that is because I want to talk to you guys about a very special type of retracement pattern. Okay, now before we get there, folks, let me highlight for you what you're looking at on the screen. All right, what you're seeing on your screen right now is a very special piece of trading software called the volume indicator color band. What this thing does is it's very good and very effective at predicting the starting points of trends in the market. As you guys know, I'm a huge believer in trend trading, and I only want to be notified at the starting point of a trend, right? I don't want to be notified over here in the middle of a trend, and I certainly don't want to be notified over here, which is at the end of the trend. Make sense? I only want to be alerted whenever the trend changes. And this volume indicator makes it too easy, man. All right? As it did right here, 8:30 in the morning, the color band quite clearly changed from green into red at this moment in time. Now, folks, I want to draw your attention to this bar right here, which is a reversal bar. The high of this bar is above the high of the color band, so this setup ever so slightly does meet our requirements, okay? But why should you pay extra special attention to this type of setup? Why do I consider this to be a massive sell signal as opposed to just a regular sell signal? Well, here's what I want you guys to take a look at. All right, let me zoom in here for a second. Let me get you guys dialed in here. All right. Can you guys see how the volume color band changed, okay, from green into red, and it happened on this bar? But can you also see that the color change happened on a reversal bar that was also a retracement bar? You get what I'm saying? So for example, let me put that in context. Okay, so if we contrast this setup over here, the first one, to this retracement setup over here. Okay, both of them were perfect. Both of them were absolutely gorgeous today. If you guys were trading the NASDAQ today, I know you killed it using this volume indicator. But can you see how on the first setup, the signal came on the actual color change You know what I'm saying? Like, not only did this bar meet all of our other criteria, meaning it has to come against a red band, it has to be above the red band, it has to be on a reversal bar, it also came on the same bar that has an arrow on top of it. All right? And so, folks, based on my own personal backtesting, I have found that whenever you see a setup like this, which doesn't happen that often, man. I mean, you'd be lucky if this happened like once a month. In fact, I can't even believe it happened today. All right? But when you see something like this, which is almost like a quadruple color match, then boy, do you have to pay attention. Okay? And so how you'd potentially play this powerful setup is you'd wait for this bar to close. It did. We would then look to potentially go short this market on the open of the next bar, which is approximately right there on the chart. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, don't ever forget to place your stop loss. Your stop loss location is 1 or 2 ticks above the signal bar's high, which is right there. And you can see this market took an absolute dump and the stop loss never got touched. All right. Guys, this was about 500 ticks. Don't you dare think of this as a small move. This was a magnificent move. Now, look, I get it. If you're looking at this setup, maybe you don't feel like it's truly a deep enough retracement. Maybe you just weren't feeling it, and that's fine. Say you ignored this setup. I don't know why you would, but say you ignored the first setup. Well, look at that next setup, ladies and gentlemen. Right in your face. Red reversal bar against a red color band. Nice deep retracement well above the band. And kaboom! That's our second setup of the day. All right, guys, so what I want to do is congratulate all my new customers who took the leap, you took a chance, you got involved over the last couple of weeks, couple of months. I know you guys are killing it. Thank you for all your questions, your comments, and your feedback. I'm always looking for ways to improve. You guys know that we have a powerful auto trader coming down the pipe, and I especially want to give a big congratulations to all of my people who were trading today. There's no such thing as time off. There's no such thing as holidays. Like I said, folks, if there's volume in the market, it means the market's open. And if the market's open, we are going to look for setups just like this today. There's never been a better time to trade the market, and I can't wait to see if we get the same setup like this tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.